Meaning of enchant.
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 Enchant. Enchant typically means to become captivated or filled with a sense of wonder and delight. When something or someone enchants you, you feel a sense of magic or fascination that can be hard to describe. This feeling can be caused by anything from a beautiful sunset to a captivating book or a charming person. Being enchanted is a state of mind that often involves feelings of joy, awe, and even love. It's a wonderful and powerful emotion that can bring happiness and a sense of wonder to our everyday lives.